it's time for the part of the show where we settle those pub debates once and for all and find out what's quickest. Yes, you've guessed it. It's time for one of our world-renowned shootouts. Well, first up at a particularly stormy Anglesey is the new Mazda MX5, which gives us a problem. Because our shootouts require two cars that are quite similar to go head-to-head, but the MX5 hasn't got any rivals. Where else can you buy a sweet-handling little roadster with genuine sports car performance for under 16 grand? There was nothing for it. We'd have to put the car up against itself. This is a Mark I MX5. Launched in 1990, it proved you didn't need a blank cheque and big power to have fun. Finding an original one proved tricky until we found Suzanne, who had bought this one only a week earlier. She can't wait to see if the new MX5 is any quicker than hers, which will involve me thrashing them on the track. For some unknown reason, she insisted on keeping an eye on me. No power steering.
I know.
Isn't that a shocker? Ooh. Were you Popeye or something, honey?
Oh, I've decided I need to improve my muscle tone.
Haha, that's my kind of workout. Suzanne, how much did it cost you?
£3,995.
I'm really pleased that you bought one. It's just so perfect. You all right?
Yeah, it's great.
It's so sweet because it hasn't got a huge amount of power, but you can still have so much fun with it. It's got such a beautiful chassis. The brakes, there's no ABS, so I'm having to be a bit cautious here. It weighs just over 1,000 kilograms. And it will hit 60 miles an hour, providing you can keep it in a straight line. Oh, in about 8.4 seconds. Oh, Suzanne, I feel dreadful. This is your car. What is it like to sit in your own car that you've paid your own good money for with some nutter at the wheel?
It's brilliant. It's good to see what it can do, because I couldn't drive anything like this.
Oh, such good fun. I'm a massive MX5 fan. And this is a really cracking example. It's brilliant. Right, enough messing about, Suzanne. Let's find out exactly what this one can do. Whoa! Oozing that power out. Come on. We take 1 minute 9.6. You're going to ask my boss for some new tyres?
Thinking about it.
Time for the new one. Now, the first thing I notice, hitting the brakes, I've got ABS. Turning the wheel, I've also got power steering. And... and a big spin. Clearly, I had to make up for that slight over-exuberance and drive the car hard. In fact, I drove it so hard, the roof came off. With your car, I really felt on top of those front tyres. Well, with this, I feel much more remote.
Yeah.
There's definitely sort of more body roll than there was in your car. Gosh, I hate to say it, but I actually prefer yours.
Yay!
Right, I think we've done enough tarting about, don't you?
Yes.
All right, time to see which is quicker. This one or your one? At the radar, the new car is ahead by 0.6 of a second. And at the hairpin, it's still ahead, winning overall by just over a second.